Welcome to the channel. So, sometimes you just need a big kick in the butt to get things done. I know that I've been off of YouTube for about 2 months. That's because of work and things outside of, just life on its own terms, basically. But something caught my attention that needs to be addressed, Lord knows. So, if you don't know, and if you've been living under a rock for the past 2 days, John Wilburn and Dallas Brown of AHRA have come up with a race for YouTube creators called the No Name Nationals. This thing's going to be huge. The only requirements is you have to have 500 subs, and there's going to be multiple classes that you can enter in the race, ranging anywhere from bracket racing to heads-up grudge racing, exhibition. They're even going to have a pit bike challenge, like a little monkey bike challenge, which I think is pretty cool. Car shows, you name it. But I made a comment on the live feed after it was already up. And guess who posted calling me out? Or at least that's the way I took it. So I'm going to insert the picture of it right now of what was said. Pretty self-explanatory. So that means I've got to get my butt in gear and get Casper ready for the No Name Nationals, because as you may have already guessed by now, Uncle Tony of Uncle Tony's Garage has challenged me and Casper at this. I think the rules are going to be off the trailer, no messing with it, whatever it runs, straight off the trailer. One and done. So that's about a 600-mile hike from my house, give or take, which would probably be about 9.5 hours, which is not that bad. But if I'm going to tow my truck all the way to Missouri, I'm going to make it worth my while. So this is where I'm going to flip the script on you, Tony. I've got $2,000 in my back pocket right now that I'm willing to put on the line for this race. So it's up to you to accept that challenge, because now the ball is back in your court. Just saying. But another subject I want to talk about. This, like I said, this is going to be a pretty big deal. There's going to be a lot of people coming from all over the country. But I talked to my buddy David Vizar this morning. And where do you plan on being August 26th and 27th?
At the racetrack with you guys. I think this is an absolutely awesome idea, right? And I am just 100% behind it. I'm going to muscle up some things here. I'm going to be discussing what we can do, maybe for a charitable promotion for, say, St. Jude's or what. No plans yet, but we're planning to plan something.
So there you have it, folks. Now David, he was talking about he wished he had something to race. So I'm trying to talk David into coming with Marvin's pickup truck that's going to have a built 406 with a tunnel ram on it. So, and if that doesn't work out, I'm trying to talk him into putting a set of drag slicks on a Dodge Cup car that he has up for sale. Yeah, that's right, a Cup car. It's got a W9 headed small block in it, so you can't say that David's not into Mopars, can they?
No.
So if you're going to be anywhere at the end of August, it better be at the No Name Nationals. Make sure you go online to the nonamenationals.com to get registered. Don't forget about me, Tony. $2,000.
Hi Andy, I seen your video. Nice beard, right? Growing in good. Okay, so yeah, you got $2,000 in your back pocket for this race. $2,000 is a lot of tow money, right? From Missouri to Missouri. All right. Well, I mean, yeah, I got that much in my front pocket. That's cool. So yeah, definitely we go for $2,000. One and done. Off the trailer, winner takes all. $2,000 though. I think. It's enough to cover tow money, but it's not really enough to cover like a nice meal for for the crew and all. So I think maybe let's see. You want to Want to throw another like 500 on top of that? 2,500 bucks? One and done? You know? So, you know, Andy, not everything we do with that car is shown on YouTube. I mean, you do realize that, right? So, yeah, let me know. 2,500. One and done. Off the trailer, winner take all. Let's do it.